Hello friends, this is Durga from ITversity. I just want to make sure that before you onboard to the program, you emphasize on some of the key areas. In this video, I'll be covering the relevance of typing and make sure you follow this closely and become good at typing as we go along. Even before onboarding into the program, you can just test your typing speed using some online tools. I'll be emphasizing on that as part of this video. But before getting into that online tool, let me also explain you the relevance of typing. If you don't know the typing, there will be direct impact as well as indirect impact on your productivity. The direct impact will be you will be typing less, which means you'll be taking more time to actually type something. That means your overall productivity will go down considerably. For example, I can type 60 words per minute, which means I can type 3,600 words per minute. If I type 2 hours, I will be able to type 7,200 words. Now, if your typing speed is only 20 words per minute, to type those 7,200 words, it will take 4 times or 3 times the time I take, which means if I take 2 hours to type 7,200 words at 20 words per minute, it will take you 6 hours, which means you are losing 4 hours of your productive time. At least you should be at a level where you are able to type 45 words per minute and your accuracy is also good. I will actually demonstrate how to use online tools to improve your typing speed. That being said, there will be indirect impact also. When you don't know typing, you will make so many typos or it will result in too many typos as you type. For example, if you have to send an email, there might be quite a few typos if you don't know typing versus if you know typing. And also when you code, because of typos, there will be some generic errors and it will be very tough to troubleshoot. And also, even if you Google, the answers might not be relevant to you. It will result in a lot of wastage of the productive time. Focus on the typing, your productivity will improve significantly. And also, you will be able to solve the problems with ease by focusing on the actual issues rather than some irrelevant issues that will be result of improper or inaccurate typing by you. That being said, now let me provide you some tools where you can actually pick up your typing skills as we go along. Even before onboarding, I want you to take a 3-minute test. I will demonstrate how to take the 3-minute test in a moment and share the screenshot of the typing speed as you onboarded onto our WhatsApp group for further communication. So the expectation is once you go to this video, make sure you take a 3-minute typing test, share the screenshot with us. We will give you the customized plan where you can improve the typing speed as we go along with the training. And this has to be happened even before you are onboarded to the training. Now, let me actually demonstrate with some free tools that are available for improving your typing speed. So there is a website called as typing.com. We'll be adding this as part of the description also. Make sure you look at the description and get the correct link. The website is nothing but typing.com. If you go here, make sure you understand what I'm trying to explain. If you go to this website, you have to go to students. And if you look at this, there's a typing lessons section and also typing test section. You have 2 sections. To begin with, don't get into the typing lessons. No matter where you stand, even if you never typed earlier as part of your life, still I would highly recommend you to go to typing test. And then once you go to the typing test, there are 3 timed tests. One is 1 minute, second one is 3 minute, third one is 5-minute typing test. You have to take 3-minute typing test. You can click on it. You just click on continue. And then it will actually show the text content here. You just have to keep typing like this. Can music tame the wild beast? Can it hush puppies and calm kittens? Like this, you can actually take the test. It will capture the mistakes and also it will capture the speed. So you will get the result with respect to WPM as well as accuracy. You have to share the screenshot of that with us. Now, once that is done, we'll actually tell you how to take the lessons and you have to follow that. Now, I'm actually demonstrating how to take lessons using the same website, typing.com. Let me actually say typing.com here. Now, again, if you go to the students to take the lessons, don't just go to the test and keep on taking the tests. If your typing speed is not good, you have to go to typing lessons and you have to start taking lessons from here. You see, there is beginner, intermediate, and advanced. You have to start from beginner if you don't type properly. If you go to the beginner and if you go to the first lesson, which is nothing but JF and space, and if you click on start, you can go to the video. Now it actually show where your fingers should be on the keyboard. One of the key things which you need to keep in mind while typing is you should not be looking at your keyboard. You should place your fingers the way it is demonstrated as a part of this picture. Your right hand forefinger should be on J, your left hand forefinger should be on F, and then your right hand, the other three fingers, other than forefinger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger should be on K, L, and semicolon or colon. On the left hand side, it should be on D, S, and A. You can see the image and you should be able to figure out. Also, if you keenly observe, F and J have a small blip on the keys. It is primarily to tell you that whether your four fingers are on F and J or not. So you have to focus on that, and you should always feel that until you are really comfortable with the position of your fingers. Also, when typing, you need to keep in mind that you are not looking at the keyboard. If you are looking at the keyboard and typing, that means while riding your bicycle, you are looking at the handle rather than looking at the road. While playing the cricket, if you are trying to catch, it is like looking at the hands rather than looking at the ball. Or if you are batting, it is like looking at your bat rather than looking at the bowler and see the position of the hand of the bowler to anticipate how the ball will be. So it is that different. So make sure you don't see the keyboard at all while typing. To begin with, to make sure that your fingers are in right position, you can see. But while typing, even for this basic lesson, you should not see the keyboard. In this case, you should just say J and then enter. Now you just have to say J, 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 J. Like this, you can start taking the lesson. And you see here, word speed is 48 WPM. You have to improvise on this as much as we can. Not here itself, but as part of the tests. Your tests should show good WPM with at least 95% accuracy. My speed is 66 words per minute with 96 to 97% accuracy. I'm not expecting you to get there, but at least you should reach 45 words per minute with 95% plus accuracy. And also, you should not be seeing the keyboard while typing. These are the important aspects which you need to keep in mind. And I'm expecting everyone to reach 45 words per minute by the end of the program, not immediately by the end of the program. Now, what you are supposed to do is after this video, take the 3-minute typing test. How to take it? You just go to typing.com. Then go to students, click on typing test, and then take this 3-minute test and share the screenshot with your WPM and accuracy. Then I will give you a plan where you can keep track of your progress, and then you have to take it further. To get the plan, wait for another video. I will be covering how to keep track of your progress with a plan and why I'm expecting you to do so.